Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lip balms for winter, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Beauty by Earth Organic Lip Balm. First up on our list is a lip product from Beauty by Earth. Beauty by Earth is a USA-based company, who distributes worldwide. Their lip products are said to be made from 100% organic beeswax. That factor also applies to this product that we've chosen. The Organic Honey and Vanilla Lip Balm speaks for itself. It is scented to the heavens, but at the same time isn't overwhelming. It is guaranteed to bring your lips the moisture that they deserve with their hydrating ingredients. It is made with beeswax and coconut oil as the base ingredients, plus organic everything such as sunflower oil, mixed tocopherols, vitamin E from sunflowers, castor seed oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, rosemary extracts and calendula extract. Moreover, they are totally non-GMO and gluten-free, and they were made without petroleum, corn and soy. Furthermore, each order comes in a package of 4 lip balms. If you're not happy with your order, Beauty by Earth will happily give you a refund after sending it back. Moving on at number 4, we have the Carmex Lip Balm Mint SPF 15. We have Carmex. If you've bought lip balms or chapsticks before, you're probably familiar with Carmex. Carmex has always been one of the market's favorites. They've made a name for themselves and have since stayed on the top list. With its winter mint scent, flavor, it is both refreshing and moisturizing, and it is also one of Carmex's customers' favorites. This lip balm has sun protection, SPF 15, and is also water resistant. It is recommended to be reapplied on the lips after an hour of swimming or working out, 2 hours of the first application and right after towel dry. At number 3, we have the Hanalei Lip Balm. Hanalei Company's products have the most pleasing packaging on our list. Their Rose Lip Treatment Travel Set comes in a package of 3 cute pastel pink tubes, each is 5 grams. They are paraben-free and cruelty-free. Above that, with agave and grapeseed oil as their base ingredients, it is packed with excellent antioxidants, plus the shea butter in the formula is guaranteed to bring your lips the utmost moisture. This product leaves your lips silky and can be used at any time throughout the day. It is also recommended to use after scrubbing your lips, in order to restore the moisture in your lips. Moreover, it is rose-tinted and smells great. At number 2, we have the CARENEL Lip Balm. This berry-flavored lip balm from CARENEL contains berries-derived vitamin C and melts right into our lips and moisturize them from the inside. Its refreshing flavor not only brings you delicious scent but also helps rid our lips off of dead skin cell when you leave it on overnight. Unlike the previously mentioned products on our list, this product's packaging is a jar. The jar is small enough to be carried around in your bag, pouch or even our own pocket. This lip balm contains its nourishing formula can deliver the best kind of moisture to your lip overnight, if you leave it on as a lip mask. And finally at number 1, we have the Chapstick Total Hydration Beauty Lip Kit. You'd be lying if you say that you've never heard of Chapstick. If you are somewhat of an avid user of lip balms, Chapstick is surely to be one of the most frequently mentioned word or brand. This Total Hydration Kit is said to turn your lips from chapped to soft and smooth and, of course, healthier. And do the claims disappoint? When it comes to lip balm, you're guaranteed to get the upper tier kind of quality from Chapstick. This kit includes a lip scrub that is for exfoliating your lips, taking the dead skin cells away and replenishing your skin with the best kind of moisture. Plus, the lip balm reduces the appearance of fine lines and keeps your lips hydrated for long hours with its nutritious elements. Moreover, the kit also includes a tinted lip balm for those of us who prefer to not layer products on our lips or like to wear our lip products light and tinted. What's even more exciting is that you can play around with what flavor you want in your kit. From fruity flavors like watermelon, strawberry kiwi and strawberry sherbet to sweet flavors like cotton candy, vanilla and cupcake, you can enjoy the moisture with lovely scents. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.